So for the second uh, conversational AI tool that we'll be building, this one is a voice agent. We'll be using Vapi. So if you just go to your browser, you search Vapi, VAPY. Okay. So this one right here, you click on it. That's Vapi. So when you click on it, you get started just like you did with the other one. You create an account. So I'll just show you some settings here, how to set up this one, and then for those that will be choosing to use this one, I'll still show you how to link it with your to your web page and all that. I'll still show you how to do that. But for this video, I will only be showing you how to set it up and make the AI agent available for calls. Okay, so let's see. I think the network is bad. Alright, so then you sign in with your Google. So after signing in, you have to write your name. You select a name for yourself. You can just leave it like this. Just leave it like this. You can put any name of your choice. How did you hear about us? You can just scroll down and start building. So now what we are trying to create is an agent that will call and answer call for us. Okay, so we have to select this one, but because this thing right here is just a way to tell the AI to help you create an agent. So if you select anything here, it will help you create an agent. Okay, so let's just click on one so it can help us create an agent, and then you see how it works. So let's select follow up here. Let's select this one for follow up. So it will ask us few questions, then after that it will create an agent for us. It's as simple as that. Okay, so it's working on it now. I think it has three things to work on: first the language, second the task, and then the callers, and then the calls will appear here. So we are selecting English, or you can skip all these processes and then move into you jump to the part where it has finished creating everything. But it's better to just follow it step by step so you can understand what's going on. So now it's building the task. It's building the task. But don't worry, once this AI is done building this thing by itself, I will show you how to do it by yourself. Okay, I'll show you how to do it, how to build your own agent. So let's allow the AI create it so we can test what the AI has done, and then you see how it works. Okay, this one says qualify lead. So we are meant to select what the AI will be doing. Follow up on a deal. So let's click on follow up. So this follow up on deal simply means that you've reached out to them. Okay, so they are now trying to follow up, to call you and follow up and see if you are still interested in the deal or not. So he said, who are the typical callers these agents will talk to? Okay, existing customers, yeah, because he has to call people that are already in the company, customers that are already existing before. I mean, the AI can't call somebody who is not a customer who is not in the company. All right, so let's start speaking with our AI so you see how it actually sounds. So it's connecting now. After the connection, the call will start.
Hi, this is a quick follow-up from our team. Do you have a minute?
Yes, I have a minute. Good evening.
Great, thank you. Before we jump in, I want to make sure I have the right person. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Emmanuel. You called me, right? So I believe you're calling for a follow up.
On a quote or discussion we had with you previously. Can you remind me? What
Okay.
was that about?
Okay. It was about the website I needed, the AI automation service that I needed your company to do for me. So that is why I believe that's why you called, to follow up to know if I'm still interested in the AI automation project that you guys are building for me. So yeah, if that's it, yeah, I'm interested.
Excellent, Emmanuel. I'm glad to hear you're still interested in the website and AI automation project. That's great. So, where things stand. Have we moved forward with any next steps since we last spoke, or are we still in the planning phase?
All right, so I think I'll just end it here to avoid wasting our time. So this is how it works, okay? And if you paid attention to that call, you will realize that it was wasting time to respond. So we'll fix all of those things here. We'll fix it, and then let's cancel this, and then we move to our dashboard. So this is our dashboard here. Supposed to have a lot of information here, so I can create my own agent. Alright, cool. So now we have all the things we need here. So the first thing we are going to do is we go to assistant. Okay, this assistant here, we click on it, and then you click on it, and then you build an assistant, because we are looking for we are looking to build an AI assistant that will help us collect leads and talk to people based on a particular um, issue or a particular thing that we want. Okay, so let's wait for it to load, and then I'll show you the next thing to do. So if you look here, you see the one we just created when we signed in. So this is the one we created when we signed in, and this is the default one we have here. So we just go ahead and create our own, because we don't want to use this too. Okay, so we just we click on create assistant here. Okay, so when you click on it, you select a name for your AI. So we are going to call this one Emmanuel. I'll use my name. So you can also use your own name, or you can call it Emmanuel AI. So here you can add a template, but we don't necessarily need a template. Okay, so we can just skip this part and then come to this place. Now this one here, because of what we are doing and because of the time we have, I might not be able to explain all these things at the same time right now, because I want this video to be very short. So I'll go straight to select lead qualification specialist. So if you're building it, select lead qualification specialist. Okay, so this is for generating leads and connecting. I'll still explain it later, maybe after the whole event. So for now, you select lead qualification specialist. Let's change this name. This lead qualification specialist is Morgan. I think her name is Morgan. So let's just create. So now we've created Emmanuel AI. Okay, so we've created a voice agent named Emmanuel. Now this is where the whole thing becomes interesting. This is where you now pay close attention. I mean, you should pay attention from the beginning, but this is where the whole settings and everything comes in. Now if you watch here, you selected a language where you transcribe your calls, because when you're making a call, it will be showing transcription, it will be writing the call. So you select the language which you want to be seeing the call. So this is for the voice agent. So we are using GPT 4.1 for our voice agent, which means we are using the voice call, the voice that is related to ChatGPT 4.1. Okay, we are using the voice that is built in ChatGPT 4.1. We can still use other voice in other tools. We can use other voice in other tools. You can search it here, and then you see other voices, but we are using this one. Okay, we are using this one, so we can be able to do a lot of things before our credit runs down. If you check down here, you see your credit. So the more you make call, the more your credit goes down. Okay, but we'll be buying token very soon, so hopefully we'll be buying token. So this one here is for the voice. You select the voice, you select if you want a male voice or a female voice. You click on this place, and then you select a male voice or a female voice. Our provider is Vapi, So we are not changing from VAPI to any other service. We are leaving it at VAPI. So the version is 2.0. Then the voice, you can select the voice. You can select a female voice. This is Savannah, this is Elliot, this is Godfrey, and the rest. Okay, so we are leaving it at Elliot. Now this is the speed of the voice, how fast the AI will be talking. So we don't want it to talk very fast, so let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, this is the background noise. So we want a situation whereby it will sound so real. Okay, it will sound very real. So we will use an office background sound. Put it in office so that when they are making the call, it will look like the AI is inside the office. Okay, it's inside an office making the call. So this fallback voice, don't worry about it. You don't have to add anything here. So we go back, and all these settings here, you don't really have to do it. You don't necessarily have to do it. If you, I mean, you can just go ahead and set your prompt and everything and make the call, then you see how it works. But after that, you can still explore these options to understand very well how it works. Now coming to this place, you see first message, AI speaks first. You can select and decide who speaks first when the call is connected. So when you say AI speaks first, it means when the AI calls, the AI will first say hello. Okay, the AI will speak first before the person responds, and that's the best approach. So the person will know that the person will know that someone called. Okay, so we can't just be waiting for the person to talk first, or we can still set it as let the person speak first. Okay, so now what will the person say? What will the AI say first? Because this is we are trying to build this for Holy Trinity. Okay, so we can say we can tell the AI to say hello, this is Emmanuel, AI assistant from Holy Trinity. Okay, we can ask the person, do you have a minute, or is this a good time to talk? Let's ask the person, is this a good time to talk? Okay, so this is what the AI will say. All right, now to describe our AI, to give our AI a perfect prompt. Now everything you can see here is a perfect prompt, but because you cannot write a perfect prompt, you've not studied, I can still send you a video that I made where you can learn how to write prompt, and then you learn how to write prompt so you can write a perfect prompt. But because you don't know how to write a perfect prompt and you need a perfect prompt here, what you're going to do is you click on generate. So generate here, you can write whatever you want to describe your AI, and then it will write a perfect prompt for you. So let me write something here. Let me describe the AI. So first of all, the AI is just is an assistant that helps talk to people and see if they want to enroll in our school, or they want to just write exam in our school. Okay, so we want our AI assistant to ask them these questions, ask the students class and age, and then that's it. Okay, so let's describe the AI. So we can say Emmanuel AI is an AI assistant that helps Now, this is what I wrote. Now, if you're describing your AI, you have to describe it, tell it what you want it to do. Okay, tell it what you want it to do or what you want it to serve as, and then it will write a perfect prompt for you. It doesn't matter how perfect you wrote all these things here. It doesn't matter if it's looking very perfect or very beautiful. Okay, so this is what I wrote. I wrote Emmanuel AI is an AI assistant that helps talk to parents and students to find out if they want to enroll in our school or just to write exam with us. Okay, so it will get the student's age and class, and then tell them that it will help them enroll and get back to them. Okay, get back to them by email. So it will help them enroll, and then it will get back to them by email. So we click on submit edit. So this right here will write a good prompt for us. So this is the prompt that it has written for us. So these are all the things it is meant to do, the way it's meant to talk to people and collect information from them. Okay, so alright, so let's apply changes. Let's click on accept changes. Okay, so now we've accepted the changes. All those red things is no longer there. So after that, you click on publish to publish it. So publishing it means making it active, so you can now make the call. So assistant published successfully. So after this, the next thing you have to do is to click on talk to the AI and see how it works. See if it actually works well, or it still needs some adjustments. So let's wait for it to connect. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, sorry about that. The call started, but my recording stopped, so I had to stop the call and start the recording again. So let's start it again. So hello, can you hear me? Hello, are you there?
Hello, this is Emmanuel AI assistant from Holy Trinity. Is this a God time to talk?
Oh, I wrote a God time. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's a good time to talk. It's a good time to talk. Yeah.
Thank you for letting me know. My name is Emmanuel AI from Holy Trinity. Are you interested in enrolling as a student with us, or would you just like to register to write exams?
Okay, yeah, I want to enroll my child in your school. I want my child to be in your school and also write exams in your school, because I heard your school is the best school.
That's wonderful to hear, and thank you for your kind words about our school. I'd be happy to help you with enrollment. May I ask, how old is your child?
Okay, my child is 12 years old. Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that. And what class or grade is your child currently in or looking to join here at our school?
Okay, I want my child to enroll in JSS 1. Yeah, I think JSS 1 is a good class for the child who is 12 years old. So, yeah.
That's great. Thank you for letting me know. Could you please provide your email address so we can follow up and help you with the next steps?
Okay, my name is and my email address is actually emmanuel@gmail.com.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Just to confirm, you'd like to enroll your 12-year-old child in JLSS 1, and your email address is emmanuel@gmail.com. Is that all correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you so much, Emmanuel. We'll help you with the enrollment process and get back to you by email very soon. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
You're very welcome, Emmanuel. Thank you for your time and interest. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Alright, so that is it about this one. So if you want to build this one, you can build this one. If you build it to this extent, and I will show you how to integrate it to whatever you're building, so you can present this one on that day. So if you want to build the other one, you build the other one. I'll still show you the third one that you will also build. Okay, three AI automations. That's what we are building. Alright, so thank you very much. If you're building this one, build it, and let's move to the next one.